This video answers the search query, how to buy shares of Hello Group Inc-ADR, and gives a brief context about the company as a Chinese social networking and local services group. Hello Group trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MOMO, and this presentation is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the typical process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MOMO to locate Hello Group Inc-ADR. Make sure you pick the NASDAQ listing to open the correct instrument page. On the asset page, review the company summary and recent price chart to understand what you are about to buy. Confirm the page shows Hello Group Inc-ADR on NASDAQ with the ticker MOMO to ensure it is the right stock. To invest, tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to spend. Choose order settings if needed. Then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. Find the example platform link in the description below for reference.